To all you people out there, here's a Hemp organic lip tint. Terra is the color. Terra. Terra, Terra. And this is what it has. Castor oil, beeswax, carnauba wax, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, natural vitamin E, certified organic, and it may contain iron oxides, carmine, mica, titanium dioxide, and etc. But it also has the Om symbol, as in the universal sounds of Om, and the universe, so whatever that is for you, whatever you listen to when you wake up and you listen. So I'm going to open it now, and I'm going to try this out and show you what it looks like. Here it is. Oh, just what I needed. A little bit of tint to my life, and it feels so soft. You see, I'm getting older, and my skin is getting more wrinkly, and my lips are getting more sensitive, as my eyes as well. So I use eye cream. I use a little eye cream today. I use it tonight, and this is now very soft and moisturized and happy. So happy. So now I have delicious jojoba oil and castor oil in my lips, and some wax, some beeswax, and I have color, and you can have color too. So purchase your color and have fun.